Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a weekly stamping collab. This one was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner, and these are the manicures that we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. I started off by applying 2 coats of this beautiful navy blue. This one is from Sinful Colors and it's from their Essentials collection. It's called Beach Vibes. On my ring finger, I applied 2 coats of this H la Cosedora stamping polish called El Nido. It's part of her latest HBox in collaboration with Ledania. I'll have links to her products in the description box below, as well as a discount code you can use if you purchase anything on HlaCosedora.com. To make sure the polish is completely dry before I start stamping, I applied my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. And for today's design, I'll use the H la Cosedora Back to Basics acrylic stamping plate. I also thought I'd be able to use this image from the Wonderlust stamping plate. I'll use the gold Maniology stamping polish called Heart of Gold. I stamp the stripes on different nails. Then I choose this design for the ring finger. I stamp it using the black Maniology stamping polish called Straight Up Black. I also found a cute rope design in the Ajubis EJB X06 stamping plate, which I stamped on the middle nail. The design looks really pretty glossy, but I want to give it a matte finish. I'll use my matte top coat from Shop Miss A. Once the matte top coat dries, the manicure is complete. I ended up going over the index and the pinky with the navy polish one more time because I thought it was a little bit too much stamping, and I really love the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!